Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Java, and also I'll be showing you how to run your first Java program. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type Java JDK download, and you'll be getting the first link as Java downloads. Just click that. It is from oracle.com, and here we will be having Java 20 and Java 17, and Java 20 is the latest version of Java, the latest JDK version. So you can just go here, scroll down, you'll be having it for different operating systems. We are going to download it for Windows. Just click on Windows, and here you will be having MSI installer. So just click on that. So it is about 158 MB in size, so just be patient till that. So once the download is complete, just click on open. You need to click on next, and you can just change the location if you want to. The default is fine for me, so I'll just click on next. So the installation will begin. That's it. So once the installation is complete, you will be getting this successfully installed message. Just click on close. So now we need to add our Java path to the environment variables. Alright, so just go to the folder where you have installed Java. So by default it's going to be C, program files, Java JDK 20, and you will be having this bin thing. So you need to copy the till bin folder. Just Control C, just go to search and type environment. You'll be getting the edit the system environment variables option. Just click on open, and in this you'll be having here environment variables. Click that, and under system variables just click on path, edit. You need to click on new, and you need to just paste this. Alright, you need to have till bin folder, and just click on OK everywhere. Now just open your command prompt. Just zoom it. So we need to run the command java ---- version and hit enter. So here you can see that I'm getting Java 20, which is the latest version of Java that we have installed right now. So you'll be getting this message if you have done the installation process in a perfect way. So in case if you aren't getting this, you must have made a mistake in the path. So just try checking that path. So now we are good. Let me just close this. And in case if you want to add Java home, what you can do is you can just go to the same environment variables, edit environment variables. Here you can just click on new, and you can just have it as Java _ home, and you can just paste the path. I think for Java home we need to paste till JDK 20. You can just click on OK. So this is optional. If you want, you can do this Java home thing. In most of the cases it is not at all necessary. So I will just remove this. In my case it is not needed, so I will just now delete this. Alright, if you want you can have it. So now we are done installing Java. So let's just go and try running a Java program. So for that I will be using Visual Studio Code. Basically you can just download it, and I hope you have this thing installed. So in Visual Studio Code, just create a folder. Okay, just click on open folder, and I'll go to my desktops. I'll just have new folder. I'll just name it as Java project. I'll just select it and click select folder. Alright, and just click on extract, and here you'll be having the extensions thing. So here you can just install the basic extension for Java. So here you can see right extension pack for Java. You can just install it. So yeah, and if I just go here inside my project folder, I'll just click on this new file, and I'll just name it new program, new pro, and you need to have .java as the extension. Alright, so it automatically detects it, and you can just click on install. So it basically installs all the necessary extensions for our Java. So I'm just going to have a basic print statement, nothing much. So it's going to be public class. I'll give the same class name as my file name. So in some cases it will throw you error if you don't do that. So I'll just go with new pro and open curly brackets, and within that we need to have our main function. So this is going to be public static void. So these are like standard Java syntax. Okay, for each program you need to have a main function, string, the argument variables args. Yeah, that's it. Now we are good. So for printing in Java we will be using system.out.print. I'll be having this sysout over here. So this basically comes up with the extension that we have installed. So it makes our work so simple. I'll just go with the world famous hello world program. I'll just save it, and after saving it, you can run this by using two ways. If you have the extension of Java already installed, you'll be getting here a triangle like icon, which is the run button. So if I just click it, I'll be getting hello world over here. And in case if you don't want the extension, you don't want to like run so easily your program, you can just use the Java C command. So it's going to be just clear the thing. So you need to be in the path where your Java thing is present. So for doing that, what you can do is you need to just right click and you need to click on open an integrated terminal. So you'll be getting this path of your project, and in this you need to run, let me come to the next line. Yeah, you should run Java C space your program name with the extension. So it's going to be new pro.java. Hit enter. Now it is compiled. If you are viewing the output, it's going to be Java new pro. That's it. So you'll be getting hello world. So this is basically it, guys, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Mine is a programming channel. Do check the playlist. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, Spring Boot, MongoDB, CRUD operations, as well as Figma and 3D animation using Blender. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.